Today we're going to be going over 5 passive income ideas that you can be doing at any age. Now some of you might know my brother Matt. He has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, and he also runs a bunch of different faceless channels. Now he started his journey with making money online when he was just a teenager, and he even shared with me when he was 19, at one point he was making $10K a month. Which I think this is important to note because when it comes to making money online, age is not a total restriction. And I'm sure a lot of us when we were younger or when we were kids, we were probably doing silly little things to be making money, like running a lemonade stand or selling candy bars. But today we're not gonna have to worry about any of that because we're gonna be talking about 5 passive income ideas that are totally legit. And I know that these ideas have worked because my brother has actually done them himself. So let's just jump into the first idea, which is going to be starting your own course. And again, I'm only going to be bringing up my brother so much because he has actually started an online course, and to be honest, I didn't even know that was a thing until he showed it to be successful. But think about it, a lot of the time people come to the internet to ask a question, or they watch a YouTube video to gain knowledge. So that is basically what an online course is going to be. It's just going to be a collection of videos teaching people about a subject. And you might be thinking, well, Kayla, what am I going to be teaching the world if I am just a teenager? But trust me, I would not bring up this passive income idea if it wasn't applicable to you. But again, I wouldn't bring up this passive income idea if it wasn't applicable to a teenager or even an adult. And trust me, you don't have to have some degree or higher knowledge to teach a skill that you already know about. For example, you can start with just easier tasks that you are familiar with and already know how to do yourself. For example, this could be maybe coming up with TikTok content, or this could be teaching people how to use Roblox, or teaching somebody how to fix something on their phone that they might not know how to do. Let's say that you enjoy cooking in your free time and you have a really good recipe for some pasta. Why not teach that? So you don't have to jump into some crazy skill to get to teaching people online. Later on, of course, if you pick up these skills, you could create a course on those, such as maybe teaching somebody another language, or teaching somebody how to be making money with YouTube. For example, my brother's course, which is gonna be Tube Mastery and Monetization. It's a really good example of a course, so if you want to check his out, I'll make sure to link it below. But whatever you're teaching, you just want to make sure that you are giving good value and entertainment. So now that you kind of have an idea of what a course exactly is, let's talk about how you create one. So the first step is always going to be choosing a niche for your course, which is just going to be a central idea or theme that the course is going to revolve around. And you want to make sure that it is applicable to you because you want to be interested in your own work, but you also want to make sure that it is applicable to a wide variety of an audience. So you want to make sure that there is a demand for your skill. You don't want to be teaching something that is a silly skill that not a lot of people aren't going to learn, because of course at the end of the day you want people to be buying your course. And then once you've figured out what you want to teach and what the general area of your expertise is, for example, maybe you're super into beauty and you want to teach people how to do makeup tutorials. So your niche could be simply beauty, and you could go into even skincare and talk about what types of face masks to use or what foundation is the best. Next, you're going to want to take into account who are you teaching this to? Because you want to make sure you have a good grip of what your audience exactly wants to learn and what questions that they have within this area of knowledge. Once you have these ideas in your head, so let's say I'm making a beauty course and I want to be teaching it to primarily beginners. The next step into generating this course would be breaking down what type of content I'm going to be creating. So in my case, if I was making a beauty course, I would maybe want to be sitting in front of my camera, showing people products, maybe applying it to my face, or you could even do this faceless if you didn't want to show your face. Whatever type of content you're making, make sure that you're keeping these videos engaging and entertaining, but while also giving value, of course. So this is where it would be a good idea to invest in a good setup if you have the funds to. If not, just find a space maybe near a window where it is well lit. Or you could even buy a cheap light off of Amazon and film with your phone. And then I have just a cheap microphone from Amazon, so you don't have to have a crazy budget to get started with this. Really, primarily, you just need a camera and just as best as a setup as you can get. Overall, you just want to be creating the most quality content that you can. So for my course, I have chosen to create a beauty course in this hypothetical world. Well, this is where I would start breaking down the videos within the course. So let's say my first video is going to be talking about the skincare routine. My second video is going to be talking about the foundation and the concealer and the base of makeup. And then my next video, I talk about doing our lashes, like just stuff like that. So once I have my video ideas all created and filmed, then I'm going to edit them together in a way that makes sense. So I have a few different videos. It's basically like creating a YouTube video, but you're just making it all under the same common idea. I know from my brother's online course, he uses a host that is called Kajabi, and then through this, they sell it on a platform called Digistore24. Another good host would be a website called Gumroad, but there are a ton of different options out there. Just make sure to look into each of them and research and see which one fits you best. And then you could utilize ClickFunnels to create a sales page for your course. But you might be thinking, this is great, I've created a course, but how do I get people to buy this course from me? This is where we're gonna want to start spreading the words and getting affiliates to promote it for us. So you could be hiring these affiliates, or maybe let's say you already have a platform such as a YouTube channel. This is where you could be promoting this course. Or maybe you could be promoting it on your Instagram, or you could be promoting it on your TikTok. You're gonna want a place where people are viewing your content, which is why we're going into our second way to be making money online, and that is going to be through a YouTube channel. So this one kind of goes hand in hand with a course as well. You could create a course and then create a YouTube channel and sell that course, or you could start with your YouTube channel and then create a course later on and then sell that. But I'm gonna specifically talk about creating a faceless YouTube channel. And this is kind of perfect for teenagers because a lot of the time, not a lot of people just in general aren't gonna wanna show their face online. And that is exactly what my brother has been doing since he was just 14 years old. And if I'm being honest, I am so happy that he did that because now I get to learn from all of his knowledge and I get to share it to all of you as well. And YouTube videos are such a great way to make money because once you post this video, it can be making you money for years to come. So not only is YouTube just an income stream, but it can be a passive income stream as well, meaning you can just sit back and relax and make money still. But way back when, hundreds and hundreds of years ago, when my brother started his YouTube channel, we didn't have the technology of AI. And yes, I'm being dramatic. It wasn't hundreds of years ago. But with AI, it really just takes a few clicks onto your computer to create a YouTube video. And this is something that has just never been possible before until now, which is great, especially for my teenagers out there who are in high school, or maybe you're in college, or maybe you're working a full-time job. It can be just super hard to find the time to do a project for yourself and start making money for yourself. And with my brother's course, he has a ton of students that are already using this technique, and they are making well over $10,000 a month by just running a YouTube channel that utilizes only AI. So let's talk about how we can do this. Well, similar to starting a course, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is, say it with me, choose a niche. And you're gonna wanna choose a niche that is a high-paying niche. So something that not a lot of people know is some niches on YouTube are going to pay more than other niches on YouTube. And these are going to be niches like finance and health, wealth, and psychology, and also relationships. So let's say you've picked a niche and it is time to come up with different video ideas. This is where you can use a few different tools, and one of them is going to be vidIQ. And this is just one that's super helpful to see what keywords are trending within your specific niche, and it can get you a good idea of what type of content to create. Or you could also utilize ChatGPT, which is an AI software and a free website actually, and you can ask it any question and it will give you a bunch of ideas. So you could be like, hey, what type of YouTube video should I create within a finance niche? And it could give you a few ideas. ChatGPT can even write you a whole script, and then we can use a website called Pictory, which will come up with an AI human sounding voice that will actually read our script for us. But of course, with any of these steps, you can double check what the AI does, put your own input here and there, or even just write your own scripts. Really, the only human part of the process that you would necessarily really need to be doing would be editing the videos. Or if you even have the budget, you could be hiring somebody else to write these scripts for you and edit these videos. It's really just whatever fits you best. You could do the whole entire process on your own, or you could use AI to help you with a little bit, or you could use another person's help to help you with a little bit of it. It's all just personal preference here. But in the end, you just want a high quality video that gives off value and is entertaining. Once you have a video created, you're gonna wanna make sure to just post on a regular schedule, whether this be posting once a week or 2 times a week or 3 times a week. But once you hit YouTube's monetization goals, which is going to be 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, this is where you can start getting those checks from YouTube. But you can start making money with YouTube before you get monetized on it by maybe creating a course and promoting that course on your YouTube channel, or promoting different affiliate links and products, which I'll be talking about next. And if you're promoting an affiliate product, you want to make sure that it matches with the niche of your channel, because think about it. If your channel is talking about everything to do with beauty, you're going to want to be promoting beauty products because your audience is primarily people who are interested in beauty. So there you go. You can start a YouTube channel and double the income or even triple it. So like I said, we're gonna go a little bit deeper into affiliate products, which brings me to our third idea on how to make money online, which is affiliate products. Or another term would be high payout partner products. And this is just when you partner with another company or a brand and you promote their product, and then when somebody buys this product from you, you get a cut of this money, which is just going to be a commission. So all you need to be doing here is finding products that you think people might enjoy and promoting them out into the world. And the great thing with affiliate marketing is it is not just for adults, which can be a misconception. Honestly, I would personally recommend doing affiliate marketing as a teen, especially if you already have like a TikTok account or an Instagram account, and you get to be promoting products that you simply enjoy promoting. There's truly an unlimited earning potential for money to be made here. And you can even learn a lot of different skills within business by just partaking in affiliate marketing. So let's talk about what types of affiliate programs to join. Now, Amazon is one that has an affiliate program, but the catch here is they only give about around 2 to 3% in commission. So if you were promoting a product for $20, you would only be making 60 cents per sale, which is why I do not recommend going that route, and I more so would encourage you guys to sell a digital product. And these can be products such as a course or an ebook. You could even get an affiliate link for my brother's course to Mastery and Monetization. Because if you go to these affiliate marketplaces like Digistore24 or ClickBank, their commissions offer up to 70%, which is wild. That is way better than 3% or 2% or 1%. And my brother shared with me that he has paid out over $600K to different affiliates for his course. So there you go. All you have to do is sign up to be an affiliate on one of these websites for a product that you want to promote, and then you will get this affiliate link and you just put it out into the world. And just remember, if you want people to buy a product from you, just be your authentic self. And then like I was saying earlier, you could create a YouTube channel revolving around a niche, or you could create an Instagram account revolving around a certain niche and then promote products within that niche. Overall, you just want to make sure you're promoting products that apply to your specific audience. And that is going to bring me to my fourth idea, which is starting an Instagram page. Chances are, if you're a teenager, you probably already utilize the app Instagram. Maybe you're enjoying watching videos of sharks in the ocean on Instagram Reels, or you're looking at cute little memes of cats and dogs. Whatever it is, a lot of people aren't taking advantage of another part of Instagram. A lot of the time, people are creators on Instagram because they are making money from it, just making some sort of money. Let's say you're following a celebrity that you like on Instagram. Chances are you've probably seen them promote products in a strategic way, but while also being authentic and being themselves. And this is what we refer to as an Instagram shout out, which when you think about it, it's sort of like affiliate marketing because they're like, hey, check out this product, buy this product. And then these influencers get paid to promote this product. So many companies are paying different influencers and celebrities to promote their products, because then these companies get some exposure to a wider audience. And my brother shared with me with his account called Make Money Matt on Instagram, he paid other pages to promote his account, which is how he has a whole 300K following. The first step when starting an Instagram theme page is going to be choosing a theme, of course. And a theme is going to be essentially a niche, like we have talked about before in this video. So let's say you create an account that has everything to do with fashion. If you grow this account, different fashion brands will start reaching out to you asking for shoutouts within your page. To appeal to different brands, you only need around a 3% engagement rate. And to get to this goal, we're gonna need to develop a following. To find the engagement rate on your account, all you need to do is divide the number of comments or likes on your posts with the number of people that follow you. But first and foremost, we need to start gaining a following on Instagram. And to do this, we just need to simply start posting consistently. And I mean posting on all of the platforms of Instagram. So whether it be an Instagram story or an Instagram post or an Instagram reel. Now, to grow your account even faster, one thing that you could do, like my brother did, is buy shoutouts for yourself if you have that budget. The next tip that I have is to model your content off of top performers within your niche. So check out what other creators are doing within your niche and see what you can do to model their success. And then once you gain this audience, this is when brands will start to reach out to you. And if you don't want to sit around and wait for people to reach out to your account, you could even list your page on places like shoutcart.com. And then, like I was saying earlier, you could even pair an Instagram account with affiliate marketing or maybe even promoting a course. Now let's talk about our fifth idea, which is simply going to be starting a blog. A blog is something that I never imagined that you could make good money off of. But in total, there are over 600 million different blogs out there on the internet. And these blogs can be making anywhere from 30,000 to 400,000 in a year. So the first and foremost step into starting a blog would be, everybody now, say it with me, choosing a niche. And choose something that you're interested in because you're going to be writing about this topic. And then you could even look at different social media trends and see what's trending on Google to help you get a good idea of what people want content on. And then you need to choose a platform to put your blog on. Platforms like Medium and WordPress are super easy to get started with if you are not familiar with starting a blog. And then I always like to say, if you ever get confused in any process of any of these ideas that I went over today, just head on over to YouTube. There are so many different free tutorials out there. Now you might be thinking there are so many different blogs out there, so how is my blog going to stand out from everybody else's? You could use any AI tool such as ChatGPT to help you actually write these articles. Not only can they help you write these articles, but also just come up with ideas in general for your article. You don't want to use primarily just ChatGPT, as this can sound a little robotish because it is a robot. Let's say I want to be sort of a film critic within my blog. I could make a blog post called Top 5 Movies in 2024 or Top 5 Horror Movies of All Time. If you're utilizing ChatGPT, it would be a good idea to run your blog post through Copyscape to make sure you're not copywriting anybody else's work. And then a software I use when I am writing even my college essays is a software called Grammarly, and they just help with everything that has to do with grammar to make sure you're all set that way. When it comes to a blog taking off, it is just going to be very similar to like an Instagram account or a YouTube channel where you just have to be consistent with it. So I would suggest creating a schedule for yourself and then sticking to that schedule. And this is where search engine optimization comes in. A website such as Google Keywords Planner is something that can help you brainstorm different keywords and help you just use these keywords within your blog. And when you pick up these keywords, make sure to use these keywords naturally. You don't want to be just throwing these keywords in for the sake of using keywords. You can also create different descriptions and titles for your blog that will help it further appear on different search engines. So let's say you've created a blog and people are reading this blog. But how do you make money from people reading your content? And the first way is going to be through affiliate marketing. You can actually put affiliate links within your blog posts. And the next way is going to be through ads of different companies. And something such as Google AdSense or Media.net can create these ads for you and help you make money. You could also partner with different brands and promote their products. And this is what we call getting sponsored by somebody. Next, you could be creating your own digital products to be selling online, whether it be, hey, an online course, or maybe you're selling an ebook that has to do with the niche of your blog. Creating a blog that reaches success is something that will happen over time. And I say this because I don't want you guys to expect to start making money right away, just the next day. But trust me, once your blog starts generating that income, you are going to be so happy you put in the work initially. Now, we've talked about 5 different passive income ideas today. However, one of those stands apart from the crowd, at least in my opinion, and that is going to be starting a YouTube channel, but more specifically, a faceless YouTube channel. So if you're interested in creating a YouTube channel, but not having to make videos at all, make sure to click on this video right here. It is my brother's video and it's basically like a free training course. Just make sure to click on it and trust me, you guys will get a ton of value from it. Thank you and bye. Click on it.